Everybody, thanks for tuning back into the channel. We're out here in the beautiful city of Nuevo. Hot as heck today. Let's see, it's 91 out here today, which is actually not bad for this area. We purchased this property and rehabbed it. So we didn't remove the mobile home, we actually rehabbed it inside with one of our rehab contractors. And we're probably all in around 400 on this property. We currently have it listed for $539, and we've had 15 showings so far. So it's only been on the market for a week. We're hoping to get an offer here as soon as possible. But anyways, I want you to come inside. I want you to take a look and see what the contractor did in the rehab process. So if you've seen any of our mobile homes before, the ones that we purchased for about 140 all in, brand new. Honestly, this is the first time I'm here, and this looks like a brand new mobile home. He did an excellent job. Can lighting on the ceilings, nice flooring, big baseboards, everything was painted white. He did, in my opinion, an absolutely great job. And obviously my opinion is the only one that counts. So we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We'll start with the bathroom here. So this is a guest bathroom here to my left. And then bedroom here, and then another bedroom over here to the right. So just 2 small bedrooms is basically what you're looking at. And then we go out into the living area to the left, and then the dining area to the right, and then you can see that the kitchen was done here. So all these cabinets were brand new, they were replaced, and you got soft closing doors. All the appliances are brand new, put in place. Again, I'm very, very happy with this rehab and what was done. You got the laundry room over here, washer and dryer, pantry, and then we go, this is 3 bedrooms. Oh my gosh, my fault, 3 bedrooms. This is the primary bedroom, as they like to call it nowadays, and then it's got the ensuite bathroom here. So I need to keep this guy's name in my Rolodex. Honestly, Alex, he did an incredible job. An incredible job. I'm super, super happy. It's, you know, you've got the baseboards down here that were caulked on the top. Looks like he caulked them at the bottom as well. You don't see any seams or gaps. The painting is amazing that he did. I mean, he didn't replace any of this stuff. This was here original, and he ended up painting it.
I'll put some old before shots in here.
Okay, yeah, do that. Put some before shots in here. But yeah, he's got a job for the rest of his life with us. We did put air conditioning in here because obviously we're out here in 91-degree weather. But anyways, this is what we have. 1 week on the market. Got a lot of showings, hoping to get an offer here in the next week or so. And then put this one under the sold category, and moving on to the next one, which is the other place we were at today. It's Barbara? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not Santa Barbara, just Barbara Street. Okay, thanks for showing up. I appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe. We got more of these coming. And if you're thinking about investing, or if you have a mobile home, or if you're a real estate agent and you work with mobile homes, we like them as ugly as possible. We will remove them off the lot, or like this one, it was kind of middle of the road, so we decided just to rehab it. At the end of the day, rehabbing is a little less expensive than just putting a brand new one is, but with the brand new ones, we get a little bit more for the sales price at the end of the day. So thanks for showing up, appreciate it, and see you on the next one.